Welcome to Excel-Mehta. In this clip, we'll show you how to calculate percentage in some advanced cases. Let's say here we have got two amounts. One, what was salary after the increase and what was salary before the increase. And we want to calculate what percentage of increase we got in the salary. For calculating this, first I am simply subtracting the salary before increase from salary after increase, and this is the formula. So it gives me that my salary was increased by 10,000 rupee. Now I want to calculate percentage. Now this percentage I'll show you because it is two-step process. First I will enter here formula to calculate percentage, that is equal to this increase amount divided by the salary before increase. So it is B5 and I am pressing just enter and it is calculating the figure correctly, but it is not showing in percentage format. So for doing it, I have to format it by going to home and this number formatting part. I am clicking here on this down arrow. So it gives me entire formatting box. And here there is a percentage. I am clicking on it. I want to show only one decimal point. So this 2 I am reducing by clicking on down arrow and I am clicking on OK. So my figure gets formatted into 18.2%. So this way you can calculate percentage amount of increase from amount before increase and amount after increase. Let's go to next percentage calculation is point. We have got our net selling price of 5,000 rupee and we want to give discount on the printed price of 20%. Now, how much price I should print on the product so that I can give discount of 20% of the printed price, not 20% of 5,000. So for doing that, the calculation is this. This selling price, we have to divide by 1 minus discount percentage. And that we have to put it in bracket so that it calculates it correctly. This is the formula and it calculates selling price to be printed as 6,250. Now on that selling price, I can calculate 20% by simply this formula and it gives me 1,250 discount. If I subtract 1,250 from 6,250, I get 5,000. Thus, I am giving 20% discount and I am getting net 5,000 rupee also. End of the clip. Bye.